Alright. Take the male, put it to the female. Do about 10 of these. Yeah, I'm doing great. Just talking to myself. I'm making a video here. I made this little tram last time. Yeah, I think I saw you last time.
How long ago?
I was here like about a week ago.
Okay.
And I made this little wheel car.
Okay.
And so I'm showing my YouTube viewers how to make a little wheel car from all these little random pieces.
That's awesome. No, that's awesome.
Yeah, if you want to see my YouTube channel, it's called Eric the Elephant, no spaces. But I have about 700 videos on there. This is the second time I've done this, and this is the first time I've decided to video it. Because before, the last time I did it, I hadn't done it that way before. I told I'm a teacher, so my students were like, in the past, I see all the kids throwing stuff in these little boxes, but they don't actually know what they're going to build. So the last time I did it, where I built it first and I broke it down, and it made a lot more sense to me. But I built this car, and I was just showing people how I did it, basically. If you don't mind.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
All right, wonderful. I'm not filming anybody because I know I'm not supposed to. Thank you. So there you go. Start out by making this grid. Doesn't matter what orientation. Put it like that.
Yeah. Thank you. No problem. I was looking for like the big figures of the cities and stuff, but I know. That's okay.
Okay, now that you've got this, you got a folding platform. And it folds in both ways. You'll need 4 of these.
Yeah. You know when you get to the new Lego stores? Oh my god, I always have like, you know, big build towers.
4 of these. And you pop them onto the chassis or the wheel holder. Now you have a car, platform. And it rides this way. Flat. Or you can drive it this way. And you put two seats for the roll bar. The roll bar. And I didn't try using a steering wheel, but why not? You try using a steering wheel, 2 levers. Put 2 more of these things in for the front. And 2 more for the back. Rinse, wash, repeat. You just keep connecting them, blah, 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 blah. Now I'm trying to wonder whether or not it makes sense. So maybe instead, put one of these cute little wings on it. Flying tram car? What about that, huh? That's pretty awesome, a flying tram car. Just an idea. We'll see what I end up with. Air traffic control. Drop a couple red dots on there.
Oh, is it?